Hello, everyone. This is Jordan Ketron from Group 2, which consists of me, Ashley, and Brittany. Just want to show you guys what we've been working on this whole module. Here's our Excel file. We started with SLR, and we had to run a few tests to figure out if we had a strong model for our adjusted R-square. We also had to figure out if our p-value was less than 0.05, and if they weren't, we had to fix it. And here's what we got. So here, these charts, on this one we got a normal S shape. This second one here we got, it was linear enough that it passed the normality assumption, just because it had pretty good distribution. This last chart here had a funnel effect, which we found out in class. And in our MLR, we figured out all the models on the strength of all the models. This one right here was set 0.79967, and we had to go by each one, and we had to delete one variable out each time. We couldn't do 2 or 3 at a time because it would mess up all of our data. So the first time we did piercings, took that out, and then we took footwear out because the p-value was too large. Down here we basically just got left with age, ring, and female height. The female height sign changed in the SLR model to the MLR model, so we just took it out. And over here we have all 3 of our charts. This one had a funnel effect. This middle one was linear and it had good distribution. And this last one had the regular S-shape curve. Our last thing that we did was CLR, which we put all of this into SPSS, and we had to check it. And here are all of our charts, and we figured out age and ring are what we went with because it was a very strong model, and the p-values are small enough where it didn't have to be deleted. This chart had the funnel effect. This one had a funnel effect. The next 2 were linear, and the very last one had your regular S shape. Right here is a summary that we wrote, basically explaining everything that we did for Module 3. We did the SLR, the MLR, and the CLR, and we tested to find the best variables for predicting weight. At the end of this module, we figured out how to use more tools in Excel, and we also figured out how to use SPSS, which is a lot easier to do. It's quicker and it's more accurate, but to double check our work, we still put everything into Excel. And that is our group.